different SM, especially in Metro Manila, with our semi-domesticated animals and their trainers.
Okay, there's no using of hands. How about a big clap for them, sir?
Okay, next dance po. The most important ritual for our native brother Aitas, the war dance in Tagalog is the Pagbabayani or the Binabayani dance. So once again, our native brother Aitas.
Yan na, ayoko magkatago na ako. May tinamaan pa ganina eh. Lagi may tinatamaan.
Okay, so again, this is the most important ritual for them because they usually perform this kind of ritual when there is a misunderstanding arises between two tribes. But before sending their family into war, they usually perform this kind of ritual to ask guidance to their God or Pumulyari to give them a victorious fight. At para din po maselect sa kanilang lahat is the best fighter. Already remember for our native brother Aitas, the best performer is the best fighter. So that is the end of our mini but humble presentation. So kindly stand up po and proceed inside tuloy. In this way po, ay picture taking. Okay, so by the way ma'am, sir, if you